welcome to Blue Line News Now. It's Monday, June 24th, 2019. Today's show is brought to you by Georgian College, Honors Bachelor of Police Studies. Did you know you can fast-track your degree and receive up to 75% if you are currently serving as a police officer? I'm Renee Francoeur. Here are the top stories. It's Active Threats Week at blueline.ca. First responders test out various UAV systems for the very first Emergency Services Drone Symposium in Hamilton. A University of British Columbia study reveals low levels of THC in marijuana don't increase car crashes. And Blue Line's Best Dressed Police Vehicle Awards is now accepting applications. Starting today, right up until end of day Friday, Blue Line is presenting our own Active Threats Week. Similar to Shark Week on Discovery, these 5 days will highlight all kinds of content on active threats, case studies, training updates, and more. Watch for a fresh Q&A from York Regional Police and its partners, as well as an article from Niagara Regional Police on tailoring a critical incident response template. The official Active Threats Week microsite is now live with all of our past material on the topic. Our social media channels are also buzzing with hashtag ActiveThreatsWeek19 facts and stories. So make sure you're checking out blueline.ca. About 30 professionals from the fire, law enforcement, and hazmat tech fields gathered recently on campus at Mohawk College in Hamilton, Ontario. They gathered for a day of flight talk and practice. The Canadian Explosive Technicians Association and the Ontario Hazardous Materials Responders Association, in partnership with OmniView Tech and the newly established Element 3 Robotics, all joined forces to host this two-day Emergency Services Drone Symposium. The goal was to give first responders an inside look at how UAVs or drones are used in critical situations.
This has been something that's sort of been talked about for a long time because these systems are becoming sort of more popular in emergency services. There's other events out there for commercial, recreational side, but there's some specific requirements for emergency services, and that's really why we want to do that, to kind of address those needs. Symposium
participants took in how a streaming service worked in a command center and had quite the time trying out the equipment themselves in Mohawk's Tack House. A study from the Department of Emergency Medicine at the University of British Columbia has found low levels of THC in marijuana do not actually increase car crashes. The findings apply to THC levels of less than 5 nanograms per milliliter of blood. Changes to the criminal code when marijuana was legalized last fall set the legal blood drug concentration limit for THC. So drivers with 2 to 5 nanograms in their system face a maximum $1,000 fine. Chief Constable Mike Sir of the Abbotsford Police Department, who is co-chair of the Drug Advisory Committee for the Canadian Association of Chiefs of Police, told the Canadian Press more studies are needed to provide a clear idea of how much cannabis affects people's ability to drive. Blue Line's annual Best Dressed Police Vehicle Awards is now open. The competition showcases innovative and effective designs for police vehicle graphics and equipment packages and installation. We are also very interested in seeing your snazzy electric vehicles. Visit blueline.ca for more and to download the submission form. Contest closes September 27th at midnight. This was another edition of Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks to our sponsor, Georgian College. I'm Renee Francoeur. Thank you for watching Blue Line News Now. See you next time.